What's up, motherfuckers? And got me, what's this? Pineapple, huh? Leave that for later. Working on my car. Son of a bitch. Fuck. Hopefully I'm in the shot. Do some earthquakes, 10%. 1sts13 back again. What do you know about that? Cheers, motherfuckers. Haven't made a vid for fucking who knows how long, forever I guess. Check it out, little project, runs and everything. Want to tear it apart, fucking get it painted. Like an old school lawn tractor. Got some fucking massive tires in the back. Those are 18s on my car. These are bigger. So it's got some monster fucking wheels on there. Like a fucking 70, 80, I don't know what year it is, but whatever. Put the beer down right there. Change the song. Come on, fucker. Push play. Come back over here. Metal seat. Put that one on there maybe. I don't know yet. Got a fucking golf cart over here. Working on too. High gravity logger. What do you know about that? Probably know tons. Took the time. Fucking 4 minutes in. 4.5 minutes in. Fucking doing the exhausting shit on there. Fucking took off the spoiler from the back over there. Fucking dirty as fuck though. I gotta fucking wash it. Earthquake. High gravity lager, 10% alcohol by volume. What do you fucking know about that? Cheers, YouTubers. What's up? Back again. 1sts13. The first 13. What do you know about that? And I'm out, motherfuckers.